Do you guys want to earn $150 every day, even while you're sleeping? Well, that seems pretty unrealistic, right? However, let me tell you that you can actually do so by setting up a plan in less than 10 seconds only. Yes, now you can easily earn up to $4,500 per month with Canva and affiliate marketing, and in this video, we are going to tell you exactly how. Some of you guys might not be familiar with Canva, which is actually a graphic design platform and offers thousands of pre-made templates and elements. It is very helpful in creating logos, banners, resumes, ads, and much more. Now, to earn money on this versatile platform, you just have to follow these very simple steps. The first and simplest step is to set up a free account on Canva. Once you have created your account on Canva, the second step is to create a free account on ClickBank as well. Now, if you don't know what ClickBank is, it is actually one of the biggest platforms for affiliate marketing. Once you have signed in, you'll see a number of categories along with different affiliate offers to promote. However, if ClickBank is not available in your country, you can also use other websites such as Digistore24. It is a verified website and provides facilities similar to ClickBank. Once you have created your account on either of them, you can now pick any one product to start promoting. After you've chosen the product of your desire, you can generate your own affiliate link. If you open your link, you'll use the page your leads will land on. Now here comes the fun part. Every time someone buys the product using your link, you will earn a commission. And here comes the use of Canva. In order to make it interesting, you need to create your promotion image on Canva. Search keywords related to your product on the search bar and choose your favorite template from the variety of templates you'll see on the screen. You can also edit the chosen template according to your desire and make it seem even more appealing. The key is to create two versions of the template. One should be in a feed format and the other in a story format. I'll tell you why later. Once you are satisfied with your version of the image, just click Save to save the image as PNG or JPEG. Once you have followed all these steps, the next step is very easy and people's favorite as well. It is earning money. Now don't start dreaming already. You'll have to drive traffic if you want to afford that Gucci bag. Since it is all free, you won't require paid ads to drive traffic. Wondering how you will do it without ads? Well, that's why I'm here. I'll tell you two simplest ways to drive traffic, and the first one is by using Pinterest. It is literally the best way to start and can drive organic traffic very fast. The method to avail of this facility is very simple. All you need to do is create a free account on Pinterest. Once the account is created, you can now start posting. Just click the image you want to share, add a title along with a brief description that can be copied from the product page, and most importantly, add your affiliate link. Now, all you need to do is post at least 10 to 20 times daily. Every time your post gets seen, people will automatically click your link, which will take them to the product page. Now, if they buy anything using your link, you will earn a commission. Also to mention, sometimes Pinterest can also block your affiliate link or even mark it as spam. Wondering what to do now? Well, no worries. In this kind of situation, you can simply use your own domain to redirect people to the product page. The second way to get quick free traffic is by using a website called Imager. It is used by millions of people and can be very helpful to get free traffic within very less time. All you need to do is just create your account and click on the image that you created earlier and give it a suitable title. You can also add a small description along with your affiliate link and some tags related to the image as well. Just remember not to forget to add the link. After you think your post is ready, you can finally post it. Again, don't forget to post at least 10 times daily. And congratulations, you can now earn thousands of dollars just by resting on your couch and even while sleeping as well. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. If you guys liked the video, then don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. And also subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another amazing video from us. See you guys next time.